If you are a new engineer or just starting your career in tech, this video is for you. I have seen tons of videos about what you should know early in your career, like which programming language to learn, which computer science degree to choose, or which projects to focus on, which books to follow or study. But here's the thing. Once you're working at a tech company, those things might not matter as much as you think. I don't want you guys to be in the same boat as I was figuring out things the hard way. That's why I'm making this video to help you guys to fast forward your growth with the lessons that I learned along the way. Today, I'm going to share 5 game-changing tips that I wish I knew when I started my engineering career. These are based on my personal experience and have been really helpful to my friends when I shared them. If you're looking for a practical advice that can make a real difference, stay tuned. Let's get into details. The first thing I wish I knew when I started my engineering career is the importance of learning what is impactful as soon as possible. When you're new, there is a lot to observe. New technologies, processes, tools, projects, and so on. But here's the thing, the impact of each task can vary greatly. Some projects can make a significant difference to the company or the team, while others are just making you busy. And my advice here is to find out what matters most to your team and your company. Talk to your manager and senior engineers openly, letting them know that you wanted to work on high impactful projects. Ask them where your efforts can have the most significant effect. By doing this, you ensure that you are focusing on the right tasks from the start. This isn't about climbing the career ladder, it's about working smarter and not harder, which can make a real difference in your role. The second thing I wish I knew is the hard work leads to opportunity. I know it sounds cliche, but it's true. When you're starting out, putting your 200% effort can open a lot of doors. Quality work gets noticed. The more you get recognized for your contributions, the more opportunities you will have to work on exciting projects. And you will also have a network with few of people, and even you will find good mentors. But here's the thing, hard work doesn't mean long hours. It's about focusing on what matters and consistently delivering your best. Trust me, it pays off. The third tip is about leadership. At some point in your career, you will need to transform from just writing the code to leading meetings, coordinating projects, and guiding others. So, if you wait until that moment to develop leadership skills, you are setting yourself up for a tough time. So, start learning to lead before you need to. You don't have to be a manager to develop leadership skills. Lead a small segment of project, run a team meeting, or take charge of a code review. Learning how to communicate effectively gives constructive feedback, and manage your time will give a huge edge on your progress. Next, let's talk about finding a great mentor. Having a mentor can be a game changer for your career. They can guide you, share valuable insights, and help you avoid common pitfalls. But how do you find one? Start by looking for someone whose career path or skills you admire. Approach them with specific questions or ask for advice on a project. Mentorship can be formal or informal, but the key is to build relationship based on trust and respect. Talk openly that you want him or her to be your mentor and thereby schedule regular one-on-ones. If you find a mentor who believes in you, it can make a world of difference. The last tip is about performance ratings. When I started, I used to stress about whether I was getting meets, exceeds, or greatly exceeds. Sure, ratings can affect bonus, but they don't determine your career trajectory as much as you think. My advice here is focus on doing great work, build relationships, contribute to your team's success. If you do those things, ratings and bonus will follow. But don't let ratings be your primary focus. The real reward is the experience and the growth you gain along the way. So here are my top 5 things that I wish I knew when I started my career in engineering. So if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more career tips. And also, please share your own experiences in the comments below. Always remember, a salary increase will make you happy once a year, but a healthy workplace keeps you happy throughout the year. Happy coding!